In this video, I'm gonna show you a series of rug pulls that you can print money by following their new token launch. Just look at this one. It went to 1.2 or 1.4 million dollars, and you were able to easily invest on this token when it had only 20 or 30,000 dollars market cap. Or this one, it went to 1.5 million dollars, $700,000, again $700,000. All these tokens were rug pulls. They went to zero, but you were able to invest on them quite early, and it was an easy 20x profit. This is crazy. You may think this is not true. I'm going to show you a wallet address that used the same strategy, and he make dumb money by using that. I'm gonna actually share that wallet on my Telegram channel, FriDev. You can find the link in the video description. Make sure to join. I'm gonna share the wallet there. Also, I highly suggest you to watch this video, how I make 5 SOL daily from rug pulls. In that video, I shared my strategy on how I make money from some devs that they launch token almost every day. It will give you a great idea. You can find this link in the video description as well. Also, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, because I spend so much time to provide this information for free, and by subscribing you really support me. Okay guys, let's get into it. Before I show you how you can find this dev's new token launches, let me actually share the story of how I found this dev. Actually, I used a tool called The Edge Solana bot to find this dev. The Edge is a great bot to analyze, Solana wallets to see their performance. They have great free plan. I've recorded a whole video about them, how you can analyze different wallets. Make sure to watch that video. But to find this rugger, this dev, I used the curated wallets feature, which is only on premium version. Their plans are quite affordable. It's quite cheap. You can actually, subscribe them quite easily. And I think it's really worth it because some wallets that they usually share are quite good. You can find the link in the video description. By using the curated wallets, I was able to find a wallet address which was quite interesting for me. Just look at this wallet. Actually, he had only 11 trades. He closed all of them, and his win rate was 75%. This is quite high. From 12 trades, he only had 4 losses. And this was quite strange for me. At first, I thought maybe this person is a sniper. But when I looked at the trading percentile, this was quite interesting for me. The 10th percentile for this trader, for this wallet, was 160 seconds. This is so good. 90% of the times, the trade takes longer than 160 seconds. You can easily copy trade this person because he's not one of those people that they invest in a token and after 10 to 5 seconds they sell that, and copy trading those people usually lead to loss. But you can easily copy trade this person because his trades usually take longer and he has a longer vision. And look at the average fee per transaction. It's quite affordable and cheap because this person is not in a hurry. And this was quite interesting for me because just look at the percentiles of his trades. Look at, the worst scenario for this person is almost 42% lost. This is nothing in meme coins. But when he makes money, just look at the percentage. 104%, 194%. This is crazy. So after seeing this wallet and this analyze, I understood that this person is probably a dev, or he's part of a dev's team, or he's an insider. He has some inside information. Let me actually copy his wallet address and go to gmgn website. You can see his wallet address in here. This person is not rich. You can see, for example, his total PNL is less than $4,000, but his trades are quite smart. And I believe this person is not part of the dev team. He's actually finding the dev behind all these projects. And as soon as he launch a new project, he jump in on those tokens. All these tokens were rug. They went to zero, but this person were able to invest them quite early. For example, this one 285% profit. This one, let's actually take a look, 103%. This one 162%. This person jumping on this dev's new token launches, and immediately he sell after, for example, 160 or 200 seconds. And that's the reason most of his trades led to profit. But what I want to do is actually I want to main wallet address that actually launched token, or he's part of the team. So let's actually find the dev behind these projects, and let's see if we can find their new token launch. For example, let's click on this one, click on chart, and in here just click on dev. You can see these are some snipers, some dev wallets. You can't get any information from this wallet because, as you can see, they buy so many tokens. This is not possible. There are some volume bots probably. Look at the main dev behind the project. Okay, it's not possible to find it in here because he used actually a bot to launch the token. You can see if I click on any of them, so many tokens are buying and selling, and these are not related to the dev that we're looking for. Let's actually take a look on another token. For example, this one. Again, click on chart, click on dev, and now in here you can see the dev behind the project. Let's click on that. Just look at the PNL, 242%. I'm gonna tell you why this is important to know. Let's actually take a look at Solscan to maybe we can find his main wallet, the mother wallet. If I click on transfers and click on outflow, you can see he actually sends the tokens to this wallet. Just click on that. Again, click on transfers, outflow. You can see this wallet sent all the tokens to KuCoin exchange. So we can't actually track this person, this wallet. Let's actually take a look at another token. I'm gonna actually show you how you can find the wallet that he used for these trades. Don't worry about that. But let's actually find another token. For example, this one. Just click on chart. Again, click on dev. You can see he used dev. This is the wallet of dev. Again, you can see 246% the PNL. The previous one was 242. All of these projects are from one dev. You can see he only used this wallet to actually launch this token. For each token that he launched, he used a fresh wallet. Again, let's click on Solscan. Let's actually find his wallet. Click on transfers. Click on outflow. You can see again he sent all the tokens to this wallet. And if I click on transfers, outflow, again you can see the KuCoin exchange. We can track this person. Now you may think how this is possible. How a wallet address like the one I showed you can actually find the tokens. This wallet that has 72% win rate is able to find all the projects from this dev. How is this possible? I'm sure that this person is probably not an insider. He's actually found some insiders in the team and he's copy trade them. But how we can find similar wallets to find the new launches by this dev even before this wallet. We can even find some wallets that actually are real insiders and they buy even before this wallet. Let me actually show you how this is possible. Actually, let me expose this dev's strategy. Basically, he used KuCoin exchange. He usually transfer money to a fresh wallet. You never know, he transferred to this wallet because he transferred that from a centralized exchange. Then he will create a token, he will rock the token, and then he will transfer all the money to a mother wallet. And then he will transfer those funds to KuCoin exchange again, and then he will transfer to another fresh wallet and he will create a new token. Basically, you can find this dev's new tokens whenever he rocked the project and it's too late. So when he rocked the project, he transferred the money to the mother wallet. You can find that in that time. For example, let me actually show you this token. What's up? If I go to Solscan and click on transfers, if I click on inflow, you can see it came from KuCoin exchange. He created the token and then he transferred all the money to the mother wallet. What is the mother wallet? When you look at the outflow, this is the mother wallet. And basically, if I click on transfers and click on inflow, I can find all the tokens created by this dev. For example, if I open this contract, the token, click on transfers, I know Block VPN is another token that's made by this dev. If you look at the wallets that we looked at, he didn't invest on Block VPN because he didn't know that came from this dev. Let's actually look at another token. This is the mother wallet. If I go to the second page and I click on this, I can click on transfers. You can see Ghost Find, another token by this dev, but the wallet that we're tracking wasn't able to find this. Okay, now how we can actually find the first buyers of this dev's token. Basically, this dev usually use fresh wallet to create tokens, but he used some older wallets with longer history to purchase those tokens. The reason for this is it's quite common on the market that devs use some fresh wallet to launch a token. This is actually good for the project as well. But when it comes to the first buyers, especially the first 70 buyers, it's important to use some wallets with longer history. Basically, devs, roggers usually use a fresh wallet to launch a token, and then they use some older wallets with longer history to purchase those tokens. And basically, by finding the first buyers for each token, we can find some insider wallets that every time he launches a new token, those wallets will purchase the tokens, and you can in this way gain a great profit. Let me actually show you how you can do this. The platform that I'm going to use for this purpose is Bird Eye. Just find one of the tokens from the dev. For example, this one, Titan, was a successful token that went to $1.8 million. If you look at here, we have to find some wallets in this section. Just look at this. They bought at $15,000, $20,000 market cap, and it went to $1.8 million. So we have to find some wallets from 14 January, 7:27 a.m. to something around 7:42 a.m. So on Bird Eye, just paste the contract. You can see Titan. In here, scroll down and click on Find Trades. On the filter section, we only want buy, and in here we have to set the date. 14th of January, 7:25, 7 25 in here, 720. Let me actually 725, and in here again 14th of January, this time 742. We can say 740 again, 740. Okay, click on apply, and now you can see all the buy from the token in that period of time. I'm looking for the highest amount of souls that bought the token. For example, this person bought around 5 soul. Let's copy this, go to gmgn website and paste it in here. Let's see. No, this person is not related to the dev. Probably a sniper, or there is another reason he bought the token. Let's copy this one. Again, in here, paste it. And look at this one. He bought only Titan. Probably this was a dev wallet. Again, let me scroll down, copy this, paste it in here. Look at this, block VPN. As you remember, when we checked the mother wallet, we saw actually this token, block VPN. This was one of the tokens that he created recently. Let's see, he has other tokens. Probably bought another token. Yeah, look at this one, Ghost Find. You know, this was another wallet, another token that this dev created and sent the money to the mother wallet. You know, this wallet is definitely an insider. He has some information, and you can find many like this. You know, I'm not exposed all those wallets in this video, but you can easily find them by using this strategy. I'm gonna share this wallet and also this one on my Telegram channel. However, I have to mention the number of wallets from this dev is more than this. Every time he use one of them to purchase the token first, I highly suggest you to use Bird Eye and paste all the contracts from his tokens in here, find dev's wallets and track all of them. For tracking, you can actually use a tool like Ray Olive to track his transactions. And if you want to copy trade this person, his wallet, you can actually use NovaBot. You can click on copy trade, new task, and paste the wallet, and whenever he buy the token, Nova will buy automatically. Nova is an invite only tool, but by using my link in the video description, you can gain access to this bot immediately. Also, if you want to find some wallets that the one I shared with you guys, you can use DH Solana bot. The link to this bot is actually in the video description as well. This strategy is a little risky, but if you can enter at $15,000 to $20,000 market cap, in my opinion, you can easily risk-free yourself and gain at least a 2x profit. But as I mentioned, this is not a financial advice and this strategy is risky. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers, viewers.